It's Fuse! See, I just came back from Ghana. Really? And I want to share this dance that everyone was doing over there. QB tried to show me how to do it. He sat me down in this place. And he said to me, Fuse! Nobody wanna see you rising. And when they do, they don't even like it. They just wanna see you deep in crisis. Drive yourself, you don't need a license. Holler her, she can even ride it. Go ahead, move your feet just like this. Then he showed me the latest. We walk over them haters. Now what you do, man, ya zonto, zonto, zonto. Now watch me do my zonto, zonto, zonto. Now watch me do my zonto, zonto, zonto. Now watch me do my zonto, zonto. We walk over them haters. Now what you do, man, ya zonto, 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 zonto. We walk over the haters. Now what you do, man, ya? They all wanna learn how to do this, so I'ma take you right through this. As on to dance, it's the movement. So when you jump on the floor, better use it. First step is a step. You can move to the right, to the left. You can even freestyle when you step. Put your hands in the air, then you rap. So go. Twist your fingers, you can wave and say hello, low. Make a fist and you can hit them with that blow. No balance, that's how you do. So let me see you go. QB taught me this. Nobody wanna see you rising, and when they do, they don't even like it. They just wanna see you deep in crisis. Drive yourself, you don't need a license. Holler her, she can even ride it. Go ahead, move your feet just like this. Then he showed me the latest. We walk over them haters. Now what you do, man, ya zonto, zonto. Now watch me do my zonto, zonto. Now watch me do my zonto, zonto. Now watch me do my zonto, zonto. We walk over them haters. Now what you do, man, ya
sorry, sa zonto. Wait, yo. Ain't men you go slow. Me when in a two blow. Move to the rhythm, here we go. I'll show you how to do this. So some mensa, menkasa. Up across on the south side. Move to the left and right and watch me free. All my ladies try to pose and free. Drop it low and make the boys say damn. Go sombo. Freestyle it the way you want to say. Uchimo.
what you do, man, ya zonto. Now watch me do my zonto, zonto. Now watch me do my zonto, zonto. Now watch me do my zonto, zonto. We walk over the haters. Now what you do, man, ya head, shoulders, knees and toes free.
Oh yeah, shashi wo, free.
Migrant skank, man, I like go show me.
She is Manola, and she likes stay with Bartolo, and Bartolo likes stay with Manola. They are in love. They sleep in that house, and they are so wonderful.
Check this out, yo. Head, shoulders, knees and toes free.
Oh yeah, shashi wo, free.
Oh, I'm great. Beat the head man.
Mom, I'm hungry. Mom. Dad,
I will eat you.
Hey guys, today I explained the weather. Today weather is sunny and cloudy, and my opinion is the week 2.
I am there and I am going to explain the one sport, basketball. In basketball, the object is win in a score. In this sport you can do spades and double. Spades are when you do 3 more steps, and doubles when you take the ball and
girl, show me.
Azonto, Ajay, Zingologo, Azonto.
The food machine is a machine that brings food to different countries of Africa via tour. You can choose the food you want.
If you press one button and then the machine is cut the food and next it go to Africa. Sampo Maya. Bye.
bringen aber zu present our Arsenal.
This animal is your face and it has no people, but it's normal people. They are from
There are a lot of things.
Both is a sweet society.
The flag is a part for them and another part.
This animal has 2 eyes, 2 wings, and a beak. Also, it has feathers, and it can fly. It can feel you, but it hasn't got any ears. Lives in a farm, and it put eggs. Guess it, what animal is this? It's a beef, and it's not a cow. Do you know who it is? It's a chicken, and it has a long mouth.
Better tell them why they're here, 'cause they just may run away from you. You'll never know quite when. Well, then again, it just depends on how long the time is left for you. I've had the highest mountains, I've had the deepest rhythm. You can have it all, but now keep moving. I'll take it in, but don't look down. 'Cause I'm on top of the world, eh? I'm on top of the world, eh? Waiting on this for a while now. Paying my dues to the dirt. I've been waiting to smile, eh? Been holding it in for a while, eh? Take you with me if I can. Been dreaming of this since a child. I'm on top of the world.
My house in Budapest, my hidden treasure chest, golden grand piano, my beautiful Castillo. Ooh, I'd leave it all